What? Oh god, that's not going to end well, is it? Oh shit, that means I've got to put stuff up here. Ugh. Yeah. Come on. Come on. More monies. More monies. More fucking money. Oh yeah, you're going to go all the way down there. Fuck off. Come on. Come on. Come on. 120,000. Department of Safety in the region. Okay. It's not going to end well. Go on. Money. Money. There we go. I'll put that one about there, shall we? Bush. High coverage. Woohoo! What's going on over there? Oh, that's the point. I'm going to have to put bloody... Where's he going? Did he... What the... Came back... What's he... Right, that just doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I'll just put another one in just so I can increase my output. I'll put in a little shopping, a little shopping run. There we go. Keep you bitches happy up here. Just because you don't want to drive all the way down that hill to there, because you're women. All right, is this thing? No, wait, quit. All right, how's that thing doing? 2.2. Right. So what's my? Seems to be okay for the moment. Seems to be alright, seems to be okay. It's all polluted up there then. Nice, that was all clean. I'm amazed there isn't any polluted stuff up there though. It's incredible. Alright, sewage map. Yeah, that's obviously terrible. So I haven't actually got a garbage dump in here, have I? Thinking about it. I don't know where I can put that. Maybe off here somewhere? Ooh, what's going on there? Why are they... Ooh, I can upgrade, can I? What's that? City Hall upgrade. City Hall upgrade approved. Alright, so we're good. Whoa! Okay. Okay. Edit mode on City Hall. Edit mode. Whoa, okay. Department of Education. Ah, come on, I've got to have one of those there, haven't I? That's got to be there. Yeah, right. What am I going to be putting in? Department of... No, I won't put a Department of Tourism. Department of Safety. Is that going to be... Alright. Shove that button. Why not? No idea what I'm doing. Too many gems. So what am I going to do? Oh. What? How much is it? 10,000! Oh, come on. Oh, shit. Let's go, I just need another one. Come on. Just need one more. Ding. Ding, 10 o'clock. Ding, 10 AM. Yes! There we go. Right. Oh, I've got a lot of traffic issues here, actually. Right, I'm not really sure what to do next, to be honest with you. People are certainly... Wow, when did that all upgrade? Okay. Well, they're happy. They're happy. Why is this place happy and this place is just giving me shit? Fuck you! See, what's wrong with you? Why are you not happy? Keep dying! There is a fucking hospital! My god! Right. What do I... Second level of needs pyramid gives your Sims a sturdy foundation. Protect your parts with improved fire and health. I don't know what's going on. Why have I got a jam problem? The family member passed away. There's 2 hospitals. What is wrong with you people? Did I upgrade all those roads? I upgraded that road. What's wrong with you? Those shoppers, they're all there. I'm making lots of sales. You just must be shit, mate. Look at all the profit. Profit, 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 profit. Not enough shoppers. We're making a lot of profit. Oh, now you're making a lot of profit. Well, fuck you, you bellend. There are abandoned buildings. Where are the abandoned buildings? Oh, there. Go. What's going on there? Firework show, eh? Save it. Do this! See on about moving on up. This fireman is so hot. The fire, yeah, okay. Alright, what's he doing? The waiting room is filled to the brim with so... Okay, right. Okay. Waiting room then. Bosh. 3 deaths per day. Oh god. Steady flow of water. What? No! No! No, no you do not. No you do not. Oh shit, right, so that means I need to... I need to destroy your building, mate. You better not. You better not turn to a life of crime. There will be problems if you do that, dude. Everyone seems to be happy enough up here. Doing something about... Don't know about what? Approval rating and happiness. There's the approval rating, this Sims happiness, click. Alright. Commercial happiness, industrial happiness, you're right. Okay. Low health happiness, right. Okay. Okay. Click the low health. We need money, people keep dying, it's horrible, too many injuries. How am I meant to fix all that? There are fucking... I don't even know what's going on. Shit, when did I go to 7,000? I have less than 5 fires. I've got 3 abandoned buildings, right? 1, 2. 3. Score. Should be good. What's that? Industrial demand. Well, I need a police station. Right. I get the hint. I get the hint. It was going well, but now it seems to be kind of getting a bit hectic. What's that about? I feel it now. Of course we've got a bloody fire station, you moron. Oh, I need one up there. Shit. I need to update the roads. Ah, so much money. So much money. Oh, do I need to update taxes? I don't know. I need to update taxes. I think I failed, didn't I? Shit, I shouldn't have done that. It went so well in my other one though. Oh god. Oh god, come on. Stupid fire engines. So, God, please say it's fine. Please say it's fine. Come on. Please say it's fine. Oh, you son of a bitch. Come on, we got 2 fires there. Help the oh oh, I've got money to build one up there now, I suppose. Yep, I know, fire. Yep, I know, fire. Oh, shh. What do you want? Ask later. Up yours. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there. Things are going very bad very quickly. I just need to put a fire bell on it. Right. Okay, traffic is pretty horrendous. Rubble. Where's rubble? All those up and then. Probably shouldn't have done that firework display. It went so well the last time we did it though. Well, that one's gonna go as well. we go. Industrial still in quite high demand. Sort that.